So tata siyacela siyathemba ufikelele kuyo yonke indawo esikuyo. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu Comrade Lwandile.
Ngibonge sihlalo uMamkhize. My name is Nduduzo Memela from this province of KwaZulu-Natal. We want to deposit and make a submission to the Maibuye consultation process, which is unfolding in South Africa today. We know that there is another bogus GNU-sponsored dialogue that is undertaking. It's not legitimate. This is the only legitimate consultation ever in South Africa. And that is the honest reality that we're witnessing. And we appreciate Comrade Floyd. We know him, his academic profile. He has got 2 masters. He should have just appointed these leaders and discussed the constitution and the values and everything else and announce a party without consulting the people of South Africa. Just like a party that he was from that didn't consult anybody. We got to hear about it in December 16. That must come to an end. So the Maibuye politics, VPS or no VPS, Bushiri or no Bushiri, were part of this movement. Let it be established. Because of time, I want to raise the most critical issue, comrades. We're not stupid as the people of KwaZulu-Natal. We know the law, we know the legislations that regulates the IEC. The people of KZN voted for a particular party majority in this province. We participated in the program to ensure that the IEC do account for their discrepancies that they did. It's not an allegation. Because of serious gross violation of the Electoral Act. And when we wrote to the IEC leadership in relation to their chairperson saying, we rushed to declare the election result even before they respond to the objections raised in terms of Section 55. And when we refer him to Section 57, subsection 2, paragraph 3, which says, the IEC must not declare the election result before they deal with objections raised in terms of Section 55. He proceeded to say that, no, we are doing that because the market invested in the elections. And there is no markets. It is us that participate in the elections because we want to elect a proper government to be government. So when the IEC violates the Electoral Act the way they did, that they're not going to do with Maibuye. Please, leaders, we are willingly to participate in the programs to ensure that the IEC do account. They are busy now interviewing people to be commissioners of the IEC. There are political parties represented in a portfolio committee on home affairs. Coming from the EFF, MK, ANC, it is chaired by the ANC. They are preparing for next year to capture the elections at a local level so that this Maibuye project becomes a failure. And then that is leveled to Commander Floyd and said he started his own. This is not a stock failure. It belongs to all of us. Thank you very much.
Comrade